back. I have another video here for a quick little flight behind my house. This is where I fly. Got a pretty good field out here. A nice view with the mountains in the back and the snow. Here in California, anyways. DX8. I'll be flying my 700, my Dominator L, and my OMP M1. Also, I have my Fusion 180 in there by Blade. I'll fly that one too. Connect this stuff up. Got a little bit of a cold, so I'll reduce my conversation to a minimal. Be a good idea to get this stuff out of the way, or we can move the helicopter out here. For those who are would like to know my head speed, for normal mode I have a 1300 head speed. For some smooth flying. Plus and minus 12 degrees, 12 and a half degrees for my collective. My roll, I have it set to, I believe 75. That's also, it's giving me, I think, 12 and a half or 13 with the pitch gauge. Bring up the RPM. For my normal mode, I have stability activated as well for stunt 1, meaning it won't allow me to roll it. I have 1600 RPM for idle up 1. Stunt 2, we have a 100% curve with the Avion 120 amp Smart ESC, and it's giving us 2020 RPM. It's a little windy out here today. She flies good. Just some smooth flying, guys. I'm not the greatest, but I do with what I can. Oh, you saw that here.